Welcome to USA Alert Zone, your trusted source for urgent immigration updates. 3 hidden traps could cost you your green card in 2025, and most immigrants don't even see them coming. You don't have to break the law to lose your status. In fact, many lawful permanent residents are being flagged for removal without committing any crime. Let's break down the 3 biggest silent threats and how to protect yourself. 1. Residency abandonment. Living abroad too long. Many green card holders mistakenly believe they can live overseas and keep their permanent resident status. That's false. Your green card allows you to live in the U.S. permanently, not just hold citizenship on paper. Under INA Section 101A, 13C, and 8 U.S.C. Section 1101, staying outside the U.S. for over 6 months triggers a presumption of abandonment. Over 12 months can automatically void your green card, unless you had a valid reentry permit, Form I-131. Other red flags include filing taxes as a non-resident, declaring foreign residency on official documents, failing to maintain U.S. ties like a driver's license, property, or bank accounts. Pro tip: before any long trip abroad, apply for Form I-131 and never sign Form I-407 unless you're knowingly giving up your green card. 2. Criminal charges. Even minor offenses can lead to deportation. You don't need to serve time or even be convicted to risk removal. Under INA Sections 212A(2) and 237A(2), just one crime involving moral turpitude can get you flagged. Common examples: drug possession, even marijuana, theft or shoplifting, tax fraud or identity misrepresentation, domestic violence, firearms violations. In 2025, even past offenses are under review. Take the case of Jean Moros Villena, a former Haitian mayor deported after visa fraud and political abuse allegations tied to years-old events. Key forms to know: I-485, adjustment of status; I-601, waiver for certain inadmissibility grounds; I-751, removal of conditions, especially reviewed in marriage-based cases. 3. Fraud or misrepresentation. Lying at any point equals lifetime ban. If USCIS finds out you lied or hid critical facts during any stage of your immigration journey, your green card could be revoked, even if you got it legally years ago. Top triggers include fake marriage claims, hiding past deportations, misstating your identity or age, faking job offers in employment-based applications. Section 212A(6)(c) says this is permanent fraud. There's no time limit. In 2025, USCIS's Fraud Detection and National Security (FDNS) unit is auditing past approvals, especially from the last 10 to 15 years. One trigger? A denied naturalization application. It could reopen your green card history. Other silent traps in 2025. Failing to file Form AR-11 when you move equals civil violation plus removal risk. Filing taxes incorrectly as a non-resident or falsely claiming to be a citizen. Claiming U.S. citizenship for federal aid or job applications. Instant red flag. What happens if you're flagged? You'll receive a notice to appear, NTA, in immigration court. ICE may detain you, even without a criminal conviction. You'll need a skilled immigration attorney to fight removal under INA 237. How to protect your green card in 2025. If traveling, keep trips under 6 months. File Form I-131 for any trip over 6 months. Maintain ties, U.S. license, rent/home, job, bank accounts. If facing charges, never sign a plea without immigration legal advice. Ask your criminal lawyer to consult an immigration attorney. Already made a mistake? Don't panic. You might qualify for an I-601 waiver or cancellation of removal under INA Section 240A if you've lived in the U.S. over 10 years with citizen family members. Common myths versus reality. I've had my green card for 10+ years. I'm safe. False. USCIS can reopen and revoke at any time. Misdemeanors don't affect status. False. Some misdemeanors trigger removal. I can live abroad as long as I want. False. Extended absence equals abandonment. Final thoughts. Having a green card doesn't make you immune. In 2025, under the Trump administration, immigration enforcement is more aggressive than ever, reviving old laws, rechecking past approvals, and punishing even technical violations. Act now. Get your documents in order. Carry your green card. Avoid risky travel. Clean up legal records. Consult an immigration attorney if unsure. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to USA Alert Zone. We're here to keep you informed and protected. Turn on the bell so you never miss a critical immigration update. Stay safe. Stay legal. See you in the next video.